Google Sheets integrates AI for automated anomaly detection.
Look, an AI-detected anomaly.
Have you ever stared at Google Sheets and wondered if a number looks weird or if it's just a normal seasonal fluctuation? The biggest problem is that most people don't know how to separate anomalies from normal trends without being a data scientist. But Google just changed the game by adding zero-shot anomaly detection directly into Google Sheets connected to BigQuery. It runs on BigQuery ML and Google's Times FM forecasting model, scanning your time series data automatically with zero coding. Instantly, it creates new columns showing is anomaly with true or false, plus upper and lower boundaries for clear insights. The best part? It refreshes automatically on a schedule, meaning your data stays clean and monitored without manual work. Google Sheets is officially becoming your team's personal data analyst, warning you exactly when something goes wrong. No SQL skills? No problem. Embrace the future of effortless data analysis with Google Sheets today.